everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you very quickly how to do invisible decreases for your amigurumi. So this is one that I've just made to show you, and I've done this one using all invisible decreases, and you can see there are no really large gaps where I've done my decreases like you might normally get. So I'm going to show you how to do these invisible decreases. So it's very similar, obviously, but instead of going through both loops at the top of the stitch, we're only going to go through the front loop. So you've got your V and you've got the back loop, and then you've got your front loop here. So we're going to go just through the front loop, and as normal you'll yarn over and pull up, and then you'll move to your next stitch, and again only going through the front loop, yarn over and pull up, and then yarn over, pull through both as normal. And then when we move on to the next stitches, you can see we haven't got any big gaps at all. It's completely solid all the way around. So I'll do another one with you now. So I've done my 2 normal stitches, so I need one more, and then I'm going to do a decrease again. So in exactly the same way, we're going to go just through the front loop of the V, yarn over and pull up, and through the front loop of the next stitch, yarn over and pull up. Again, you'll still have your 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through all of those, and then you'll carry on working as normal into your next stitches. 2 and 3. So you can see there now I've done 2 invisible decreases, and they are pretty hard to spot. So that is how you do the invisible decrease for your amigurumi, and I hope that it has been useful for you. So please remember to like and subscribe if you don't already, and I will see you for another tutorial very soon. Bye!